Now that we have your logo set, we have your domain set up, it's now ready for you to be able to see how you can offer this as a login for your clients. Now, the first thing is that you can create this in the main area of our white label business account system. You can create this on the domain that you've added here. So as long as you've set up your A-name record correctly, which we covered in our first video, you'll be able to then access via that specific login domain. So here we are on that domain exactly as we set it up. The other way that you can set up access within the program is to iframe the system into whatever application you have. Now, we've talked before about high level or GHL, which allows you to natively iframe within your organization, but you can also iframe this tool into any organization or any dashboard that allows iframing to happen. So I'm going to demonstrate how we do this in GHL, but of course your platform may be slightly different, but iframing is the same no matter which the platform. So I'm going to say, right, this is the URL. So I'm going to copy that, and as we come across to our GHL, this is our brand of GHL. We call it Comet Suite. What we're going to do is come to in GHL. We're going to go to agency mode, which we're here, and then we go to settings. And in our settings, we're going to go to our custom menu link right here. And from our custom menu link, we're going to simply click on create new. Now we get to choose an icon. So any of these icons are effective. I'm just going to maybe use something like that one, which shows lots of users. Link title is going to be Lead Finder Tech, or you can call this Lead Finder Tech is what we call it, obviously. But you can call it Phantom Leads or Gold Leads or prospecting systems or whatever it might be that you've called your exact tool. And I'm just going to paste in the URL that we had there. Okay, so now we know that this is going to show up inside of our GHL. And we can say, do we want this to show to agency or not? Only show to accounts and all accounts or only some. So you can then choose the sub accounts or you can say all. Now we want it to open in an iframe inside the platform, and away we go. Okay, and now as we go back to look at our, in this case, high-level dashboard, we'll see that there, Lead Finder Tech, and when people click on it, it will open up our login screen right inside of our dashboard, and your users will be able to log in straight from wherever you've iframed the tool. So you are able to access the system in those different ways. You can go directly. So if you're selling this as a standalone program, you're going to send your clients to the URL that you've created. If you're selling this as a component of other platforms like High Level or perhaps your own management dashboard, you can iframe in using that same URL to show your own lead software inside of your platform.